Orihime's sister. What? Oh, I meant to say Fred's sister, Saritsu Orihime. Yeah! Here's the other one. I'm Ruka, right? Ruka. I just had a bad attack. Sorry. That was from me not having my meds in time. I'm supposed to take them right now, or else I pass out really bad, and my hair falls off. You want to see it? It falls off. Yeah, I have to make them see it! No! I have to have my meds or else I'll go crazy and then kill Anubis. I'll go crazy. Anubis is our puppy. Everybody in the house. Everybody. I think she'll eat all the Pocky in the house, too. All the what? Pocky. Pocky. Oh, she just... Yeah, I'll eat all the cookies. Pocky's not cookies. Who cares? Pocky's like these biscuit stick thingies, right? And then they have like chocolate all over them. Ooh. Chocolate. I can't see myself with nobody but you for all my life. You and me, and me and you. No matter how we toss the dice, it's only right to think about the ones who you look tasty. What? No! No! I need... Stop! Help! I'm sorry, I can't get... She's a demon. She can't get off of it. My friend used to be a preacher, and I had him bless the trampoline, so none of the bad, evil spirit thingies got onto our trampoline. Apparently, it keeps them in, too. See? No one got on and off. If they did get in, they can't get off, so that's why I can't go out. It's our demoness. Yes, that's true. Sissy, come back. Mommy. It's a wolf! It's a wolf! Oh, it's just our puppy. It's just Sparky. Sparky! And he dyed his coat. Sparky's dark! Sparky turned dark! Sparky just ate a mole! Ew! Sparky's running away with the mole! We taught Sparky better. Well, we gotta go try and pry the mole out of Sparky's mouth. Bye!